Now we will start this fill in the blanks. First statement, later medieval period is from 13th to 18th century CE. 13th to 18th century CE. Second statement, in earlier times there were no surveyed maps. There were no surveyed maps. Third, the region of Indian subcontinent extended from Afghanistan to Myanmar. The region of Indian subcontinent extended from Afghanistan to Myanmar. Fourth statement, the name India came to English usage from the 17th century onwards. Now fifth statement, about Abdul Razzaq wrote about the Vijayanagara kingdom. Abdul Razzaq wrote about the Vijayanagara kingdom. Now C, state whether the statements are true or false. Let's see. In the later medieval period of Indian history, we study about Turks, Afghans and Mughals. It is a correct statement, so it is true. And in the later medieval period of Indian history, we study about Turks, Afghans and Mughals. But in the early medieval period, we study about the Chol, Pal, Rashtrakoot and Gurjar Pratihar. Second, the H in Persian is similar to I in Sanskrit. It is incorrect. So the H in Persian is similar to S in Sanskrit. So it is a false statement. Third, Prithviraj Raso was written by Abul Fazl. Incorrect. This is false statement because Prithviraj Raso was written by Chand Bardai. Fourth, historians face lots of difficulties in reading the various sources. True. Fifth statement, saints and Sufis preached harmony in the society. True. Now match the following. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. A, B, C, D, E and F. Now column A, match column A with column B. Amir Khusro was a poet. Amir Khusro was a poet. Second, Brihadeshwar temple. Brihadeshwara temple was located at Tanjore. Brihadeshwara temple is located at Tanjore. Now Babarnama is an autobiography. It was written by Babar itself. Babar. Now Al-Barni has given an account about Balban. Al-Barni has given an account of Balban. Abdul Razzaq was an Persian traveler, and he has given an account of Vijayanagara kingdom. Now sixth, Prithviraj Raso was written by Chand Bardai. Prithviraj Raso was written by Chand Bardai.